Want to use the flashlight on your Apple Watch? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it so you're never left in the dark again. But before you learn this process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. Now, start by swiping up from the bottom of your Apple Watch screen to open the control center. Scroll down a bit until you spot the torch icon. This is your flashlight. Tap on it, and the entire screen will light up bright white. Now here's the cool part. You can swipe left or right to switch between different flashlight modes. The first one is a steady white light. Swipe once, and you'll get a flashing white light. Swipe again, and it'll blink even faster. One more swipe takes you to a solid red light, which is perfect for preserving night vision. Choose the mode that fits your needs. And when you're done, just tap the screen again to turn the flashlight off. That's it. Simple and effective. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one.